Okay, welcome to this conference, Ms. Gomez. What do you think about the TUMIVolt conference?
Well, it's an amazing conference where we can find a lot of ideas and also success cases of developing an electric mobility policy. We are on the verge of developing one in Colombia with the help, of course, of the EAZ, since we want to meet our national sustainable development goals. So I think we have found a lot of ideas of what are the challenges and how countries and cities have faced these challenges.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think are the potentials of electric mobility helping on that?
Well, in Colombia, it has a lot of potential because at this moment, as you see, Colombia has like 36% of the global emissions in Colombia comes from transportation. And this is why electric mobility has an enormous opportunity for Colombia, because we really need to change and to reverse that trend. And we have an average that is larger than the world average of global emissions from the transportation. So this is why we're not only enabling a lot of incentives with our national development plan, but also working with the city mayors in order to develop, of course, incentives for electric mobility in the cities.
And what do you think would be the challenges doing so?
I think the challenges had to do a lot with how to build the infrastructure, not only the buses, but the infrastructure, but also how to coordinate at the policy level, at the local level, not only the rules and regulations, but also the behavioral and the behavior of the people and the culture around building and, not only having electric mobility, but also having other sort of non-motorized transportation of the first and last mile of the systems.
And how do you think sustainable mobility will change in the future, or how should we change it?
How
our people?
Well, I believe when you measure the impact and you show the people the impact, it makes a huge difference. As you mentioned from the Chilean case, for example, the electric buses even are better rated than the metro under the top, which is an amazing idea if you handle it. So it's a matter of behavior and it's a matter of high quality service, so that the people find it a part of their routine, a part of their well-being in life.